Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in onto your Instagram account using your mobile phone. So to access your Instagram app using your mobile phone, first you need to install Instagram mobile app from Play Store on your phone. Find how you can or watch how you can install Instagram app onto your mobile phone. On the top, click on the link on how you can install Instagram app on your mobile phone. After installation, you tap on the Instagram icon, your mobile screen, then you log in with your username and password. The time you click on login, you get a pop-up incorrect password. If you enter the wrong password, you get the pop-up message that the password is incorrect. Now I've entered the right password. Now I can access my Instagram accounts my mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to receive an update. Thank you.